and it's going to have Spanish food. Just like in Mexico, you're mostly kind of Mexican food, which is quite different, actually, you know.
Sure.
But Mexico, I think, has more variety, in my opinion, than actually Spain. Me too. It has good food. It's funny, I always laugh because, like, the Spanish there's a lot of good things about Spain, certainly more developed, and it's a lot safer than obviously Mexico. So those are the pros, right? But I think the Mexicans are a little more welcoming in general. I think their food is better.
I think Mexicans may be the nicest people in the whole world.
Well, unless you're with the cartel, then.
Oh yeah, it's like the scales, right?
You know.
Scales tip. They tip really far in one direction. And
Yeah, I mean, you know,
So sorry to dampen the mood, but Ivan, can you tell me why you're gonna be all right with the judges?
um,
We jump shop,
well, I mean, you know, I mean,
nothing private.
yeah, I mean,
I was thinking and answer the question.
Yeah.
From 2017.
Yeah. Well, I mean, you know, but I mean,
Clarify that to them,
well, I guess, but it's like,
because we're not going to enforce any other contract.
that it's continued from 2017 to the present. Okay,
That are
yeah,
for our call back.
yeah. Well, we'll see what he says. Yeah, I was going to make that point. I'm like, well, it is from 2017. Well,
what was in the box?
oh, just some charts, but you know, I was worried about things failing, the tech failing, because I had it
Okay.
fail once.
So is that the demonstrative?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, it was gonna fit. Yeah, I don't want them to. Got to take those two later.
I'll fill them up.
Oh no, not that. I meant the box later. But yeah, because I was in a trial once, and all the tech failed. We were in Mesa, and they had it set up different, where they had like the computers on the desk. Yeah, so.
Just back up.
Yeah, so it was just backup. Otherwise, you're hooking up, like, can you see this little 11 thing?
Yeah.
I mean, I it's probably stupid given there, but I don't, sometimes, you know, when you're there and they've got a jury trial, they're not like, okay, well then we're, you know, we'll stop for today and come back.
You have another question. Draft answer.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Let's swap.
Yeah. That answered.
Yeah,
But he thinks it's better not to. You guys are lawyers.
yeah, I don't think he obviously can explain that.
Seated, please. We could bring me those. So we can talk about them. We're on the record, counselor present. We had 2 jury questions and I've given the lawyers my draft answers to the questions. I've labeled them deliberation question 1 and deliberation question number 2. Did y'all have any objections to my answers?
Well, Your Honor, for the first one, it suggests, I'm sorry, could you read out the first one again?
Yeah, the first one is verdict 1 referring to a specific contract or any of them? And the answer is verdict 1 does not refer to any specific contract. Rely on the evidence and counsel's argument to decide verdict 1.
Well, I mean, from our perspective, obviously it applies to the oral agreement in 2017, but I understand from your perspective, you maybe cannot choose for the jury which contract they're supposed to look at, is I guess my understanding for
So tell me your proposed answer.
Our proposed answer is it applies to the oral contract as it applies thereafter. So I can't say, you know, when they're going to stop it, because there's a potential that they see a series of stopping points based upon what was written. So they may say, well, it changed, you know, at the next residency, the residence.
Let me ask my question again.
Please do.
What do you want the answer to say?
I'm sorry, could you repeat the question itself one more time?
The question is verdict 1 referring to a specific contract or any of them?
It is referring to the oral agreement starting in 2017.
Do you object to that?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, so let me change my answer so we can give them that guidance.
And verdict 1 is the breach of contract claim. Okay.
Yes. Verdict 1 is referring to the oral agreement made in early 2017. Is that what you said?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
I don't think he used the word early, but he did say 2017. And I would not object to the use of the word early.
Yes, because it is the January is early. I guess I could say of January of
You want to say
2000.
January?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So to read it again, to make sure that we're on the same page. Verdict 1, sorry, I no use to mess up my verb tense. Verdict 1 refers to the oral agreement made in January 2017.
Correct.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, great. We print that one out. And any discussion about number 2?
I have no objection to your answer, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor, I think your answer was.
Yeah, I mean, if y'all had a ready number that you could agree on, we could give it to them, but I don't think you do.
Think so?
We're not there.
Okay, so this gets trashed. This goes with what comes off the printer. Let's go together. Staple, please. Okay, thank you. We'll see if we get any more. Want the question on top and the answer on bottom. Sure. We'll see you in a bit.
Thank you.